Cheers, Lola. Thank you, love. Going to airport. So yeah, see you guys together with me as my mother. Hi guys, amo nag-check in ako ang mga luggage. So this time guys, we are now boarding. I am finding my seat. I'm going for the Pogi Manchester Kuya. So yeah guys, guwapo kayo ang mga FA no. Then this time bound na me to Manila. So na namin Naiya terminal guys. So yeah guys, we're now inside the Naiya Terminal 3. Hi guys, papunta na kami sa Terminal 1 which is na ang plane at to parang kasakay from Manila to Baguio. See you guys sa Terminal 1. Terminal 1. So this time guys, nag-andam nami kay next is interview ho nami sa IO. So hi guys, we're now bound to Bangkok. So hi guys, napasa kami sa immigration. Thanks guys. So okay na. Oh guys, keeping. So yeah, A ako ang passport. So guys, sana si Linloy. So A ko, tapos siya is B.
To tighten or loosen the strap. To loosen.
Hi guys, it's already 7:06 and we are bound to Bangkok and it's gonna be 3 hours flight. I'm on the window seat, so yes, as you can see. So yeah, kita ko guys na. Kita ko. Nakakapukay ko mga airplane ko eh. So, first time international way ako, so ignore siya kay ko no mga airplane like sumakta kay window seat ko. So yeah guys, kagara sila.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
So hi guys, we're now here at the Bangkok airport. Sawadika, Chanchu, Danji.
สวัสดีครับซันชูบันบัน
So hi guys, lobat na ko. Bitaw. Bawoy mo kailan tanan ko guys. Tapos, anong bawa ko pasabot. Kapoy kay ko dun. Tago ko yung airport sa Bangkok guys. Yeah guys, now getting ready to go to our hotel. Yeah, guys. Sanang may aring gawas. We're waiting for our pick-up. Very VIP. Maganda mo ang van, guys. Like as you can see.
Uy, puro mata ko. Kasi di ang VIP.
Wala mo si Vice ganda ni. So we're now in our hotel. Very Good morning, Bangkok. Hi guys, good morning. It's already March 21 and maybe it's 7:30 then. Don't make 7-Eleven because nag-buy me of student. So yeah, this is my view right now. Mura siya ko ano. Mura din siya Manila. Pero iba mo guys, mabuong jud mo tanaw mga BMW, Ariria, mga Mercedes, mga Chevrolet. Grabe kaayo kat daghan ya, daghang big bike yun. So hi guys, mo ni amo ang hotel no. Makita ra ang gawas. Tada! Very traffic. Hello guys. So karon mo naog ko no kay ako ra isa sa hotel tapos wala pa ko'y lunch. So mangita ko cafe or something kanaanan sa ubos. So yeah, see you guys. Thank you. So yeah guys, nangutan ako ng lanong. Ay, wala chuko ka ko. Thanks to Kuya. Hmm? No.
No, the big Thai.
No speak Thai. Okay. Kapon ka. So yeah guys, nakapit na ko. So hi guys, order na ko fried pork with garlic and pepper. So here's the food guys. Kapon crab. So yeah guys, manakog kaon lang kaayo ilaw sudan. Mo ni among hotel. Nami sa 4th floor dira. Tapos wala ko kasabot. Of course. So bitaw mag-stroll ko. 7-Eleven at tuluang. Hoy, gingon na. Mudong daw lagyan to. Mupalit og sodlay. So, we're night cafe din guys. So, may lumabalik ko ito. Init na guys. Oy! So, hi guys. Naitog ko. Pambansang scammer ng Thailand. Gatok-tok. So, hi guys. I'm with my friend. Hey guys, I'm with my friend. Say hi. Engineering friend guys from Thailand. Oh, hi guys. We are on our way to Wat Ao. Alright guys, there's my friend. Okay, brothers. Very traffic out here, guys.
Yeah, I think it's the many people. Yeah.
This is
Gasa.
What aron yan?
Sunset
is so
Transition.
So yeah,
Transition mga bros.
and
Next. No. What Arunachala Temple of Dawn?
so yeah guys, nakapark na together with us is the Thailander friend. So yeah guys, nice kaayo guys. Like the sunset is so good. The sunset is so good. As in very, very nice guys. Hi guys, namig pabaw no. Dalawa, nice kayo rin. Guys, manami mo kay Bakuch, kay Ilok, ang ay.
Kung ilok ng mga animal na naman.
Kuya guys, mo ulit na ni. Nanti costume, ari guys no. Very nice joke.
Hi Day! Kumusta man ito City Girl di pa?
My friend. Sa Philippines, ang time is 7:30.
Kita kayo.
Ngit-ngit na kaayo, then arili 6:30. Very landag. Guys, mga meron then look. Tesla baby. And Mercedes baby. Guys, padong namin mo kaon then awa, BMW, mga Mercedes, isa pa nila, and also BMW, you know, tagan kayo mga nindot sa class in ora na nila ang mga sports car na to. Yeah, this time guys, we're finding some place to eat. Guys, here is our pagkaon. Ato rin oh yeah guys, na may 7-Eleven no, then nangita kong sudlay kay wala ko'y sudlay guys. Rooftop. Muna rooftop sa mga hotel guys.
Wala shooting na rin ako na.
So yeah, this ends my vlog. So see ya at the next video.